Practice only makes a man perfect. Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Children, hope you are enjoying your day break. Hope you all had your good tiffin in the morning and now you will be awaiting for lunchtime. Okay, anyway, before that, before you go for your lunch, just spend some time with me. I've again come back with mock test, Navodaya mock test 5 for the entrance exam, Navodaya entrance exam 2025, which is almost now very near to you, just a week away from you. Okay, so don't be nervous. Don't take care of you, especially children. I am telling you because the season of flu is. So you have to protect yourself from this cold weather and don't expose your body to the weather. And well prepared, you dress up yourself with sweater, cover your ears. Okay, so that you are not affected with fever or cold, and thereby not able to study well and do the exam well. Okay, so children, take care of yourself. That is most important. Okay, now coming English. Again, I'm telling English, four passages are given. I've been telling you how you have to attempt the question answers in a passage. Okay, hope you all understood it. And I hope you all are liking my videos. And if, feel free to send your feedbacks. Okay, so because feedback is a strength, gives strength to us also, so that we can also rectify or modify the way of teaching. Okay, very so now children be attentive, listen very carefully. First passage is talking about, it is a science passage. Okay, basically biology passage. You can say in science stream, biology, physics, chemistry there. So it is a biology passage. So photosynthesis is the process by which green plants produce food. He is telling about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, what is telling? It is a process by which green plants produce food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. By which green plants produce food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. From this, they produce food. Okay. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in leaves. Chlorophyll in the leaves, you must have seen it, is the green leaf that captures the sunlight. That captures the sunlight. Capture means absorbs. Capture means absorb the sunlight. Okay, the leaves only absorb the sunlight. The process results in the production of glucose. When it absorbs the sunlight, the green leaves, what is that process? In the process, what happens? It produces glucose, a type of sugar. Glucose means normally glucose is water also. If you take it, will be sweet. So it is a type of sugar and oxygen. Then it is released into the atmosphere. This oxygen only comes out into the atmosphere. That's why plantation of trees are very important because they give us oxygen. Okay. Photosynthesis is vital for maintaining the Earth's oxygen levels and supporting the food chain. So, what is the importance of photosynthesis? Vital means important, very important. So, photosynthesis is vital for maintaining the Earth's oxygen level. That is very, very much needed for us. Okay, that's why in the planet Earth life is possible because here we have air and water. Okay, these are very essential, vital things for a human being to survive. So, photosynthesis is vital for maintaining the Earth's oxygen levels and supporting the food chain. Now, after reading the passage, understanding the passage, now come to the question answers. First question is, what pigment is responsible for capturing sunlight in plants? Now, in the second line, we read chlorophyll, the green pigment. So, chlorophyll is the right option here. Okay. What gas do not plants absorb during photosynthesis? Okay. During photosynthesis, you see what gas they do not absorb. It is gas do plants absorb. Sorry. What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis is the question. Is a see carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide is the right option here. What is the primary product of photosynthesis? What does photosynthesis provide? Primary means very important. First one, it is What is the prime producer of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is vital for emitting earth oxygen. So produce food using sunlight, water, air. So here there is no food option. Okay, so primary production of food, product of photosynthesis is, we will once again check the, is the product by which green plant produce food using chlorophyll. Photosynthesis is vital for maintaining the oxygen levels and supporting the food chain. So what is the primary means? Oxygen. Okay. Where does photosynthesis primarily occur? Where does it occur? Photosynthesis. It occurs in the leaves. Okay. Which process releases oxygen into the atmosphere? Which one? It releases oxygen to the atmosphere. What is here? The process results chlorophyll, the green pigment in leaves captures sunlight. So now you will get the answer here. Okay, so it is photosynthesis. Okay, again. Now that was a passage based on science. Okay, which gives you knowledge about science. Also in English, you are getting science knowledge also. Okay. Now this second passage is on based on history. It is about a king. The Mughal Empire ruled much of India from 16th to 18th century. He is telling that Mughal empires, most of the time in India, they ruled 16th to 18th century. One of them they are mentioning Babur, the founder of the empire. That is Mughal Empire. Mughal was founded by Babur. Established it in 1526 after the Battle of Panipat. After winning the Battle of Panipat, Babur established Mughal, Mughal Empire. Okay. Mughal dynasty was established. His descendants, including Akbar, Jahangir, and Shah Jahan, expanded the empire. His descendants means after him who are there, they, including this Akbar, Jahangir, and Shah Jahan, they expanded the empire. They expanded the kingdom. They increased it. Or they stretched the kingdom more. Okay. Akbar is known for his religious tolerance. Akbar was very much known for religious tolerance. Okay. And administrative reforms. Akbar was so good in planning that he made many reforms, mean changes in his administration. In his administration means working, way of working. Many changes were brought in, new rules were brought in, some rules were removed. Like that, Akbar was very smart and intelligent king. The empire reached its peak under Aurangzeb, but all of this, this kingdom, the Mughal kingdom, it reached its peak means the highest level. Peak means the highest level. Under when Aurangzeb ruled, when Aurangzeb was the king, but began to decline afterwards. As soon as Aurangzeb was defeated, after that it started coming down. Okay. So here so many kings' names are mentioned. Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Babur. Okay. Babur was the one. Then who took over? Who took over from Babur? Akbar, Shah Jahan, and Jahangir. Akbar was the best out of them. Then Aurangzeb took over. Aurangzeb took to the highest point. Okay. That means his kingdom was flourishing so much when Aurangzeb was the king. But as soon as Aurangzeb was defeated, after that it started a downfall. That means the kingdom was no more well known and it was losing the battles. Now coming to the who founded the Mughal Empire, the first sentence you can see Babur, the founder of the empire. So Babur is the right option. In which year was the Mughal Empire founded? So again 1526. See read the passage, understand it, and then go for question answers. Then it will be very easy for you to pick out the right answer. Which Mughal emperor is known for religious tolerance? We read in the passage who was known for religious tolerance? Akbar. So Akbar is the right option. What measurement led to establishment Mughal empire? Why Mughal empire established? How it was established? Why it was established? Okay. Why it was established? In the passage, what was mentioned? Which battle was mentioned in the passage? If you read the passage carefully, you will be knowing which battle is mentioned in the passage. So only one battle is mentioned. That is what? Battle of Panipat. So what major event led to the rest of Mughal Empire? It was Battle of Panipat. Under whose reign did the Mughal Empire reach its peak? That reign means under whose ruling? Means ruling. Under which king's ruling Did the Mughal Empire reach its peak? In the passage, what it was? Aurangzeb. So Aurangzeb is the right option. Children, once again, I'm telling this is fifth mock test, Navodaya practice paper for you to get practice for the entrance exam, which is only a week away from now. Okay. Now you don't have time to just waste, but you have to be totally concentrating and dedicate yourself to the studies. Okay, dedicate yourself this 1 week totally for studies so that you can do well in your entrance exam. Now, this is telling about a writer, a very famous personality. All must have heard his name. There will be none who would not have known his name. Educated person, everyone will be knowing his name. He is William Shakespeare, the famous person. He was a renowned English playwright and poet. Why he was famous? Renowned means famous, very famous. Why he was famous for? For what he was famous? For writing English playwright and poems. Often called the Bard of Avon. He was also called the Bard of Avon. He wrote 39 plays. Plays means dramas. In the stage they used to perform in the olden days. When cinema halls were not there, they used to perform on the stages. Okay. Even today, Ramlila and all, they perform in stage. You must have observed. So, he wrote 39 plays, including tragedies like Macbeth. Tragedies means sad ones, sad stories like Macbeth and Hamlet. And even he wrote comedies like The Midsummer Night's Dream. And he wrote different topics on different topics. He wrote first sad things, then comedy things. Comedy means what you call jokes. Then he wrote on history also, like Henry V. Histories like Henry V. He wrote on Henry V. also. His works explore themes of love. His work brings out the theme of love. What is the advantages of love? Okay. Ambition, betrayal, and the human condition. Ambition means your goal. Betrayal means somebody deceiving you. Okay. And the human condition. His works, whatever wrote, was based on that. Many of his plays are still performed today and studied worldwide. Even today, people like to read Shakespeare novels. They want to perform based. Many Hindi movies are also based on Shakespeare novels. Okay. So he was such a famous person. What was William Shakespeare's nickname? Nickname means like you will be called in your house Bablu, Sonu, Mintu, Chintu, like that you are called in your house. Okay. So that is the meaning of nickname. So Shakespeare was called, what was mentioned in the passage? Bard of Avon. So this is the B option is the right option. How many plays did he write? How many plays did Shakespeare write? 39. Because in the passage 39 plays is there. Okay. Which of these is a tragedy written by Shakespeare? Now he has given all the novels, story, books name of Shakespeare. He is asking which of these is a tragedy. Tragedy means I told sad one. So Macbeth is the right option here. Okay. What themes are common in Shakespeare works? Now in the last line, if you remember, he has mentioned this, the theme. Okay. So Shakespeare works is love and betrayal. Okay. There is nothing to do with science, technology, and politics. He wrote his Shakespeare's work common is love and betrayal. Meaning of betrayal, deceiving. Okay. You loved someone, he deceived you. Or somebody you trusted very much, they did deceived you or they cheated you. Okay. That is the meaning of betrayal. What is the genre of Henry V? What is the genre of Henry V, not Henry V, we can say. So, what was it about Henry V? What was mentioned in the passage? History. So, his history also was mentioned. So, like that, you have to read the passage, remember it, understand it, hard words. Now, any passage when reading hard words, refer to a dictionary, ask your parents if you are in the house, ask your teachers if you are sitting somewhere in the school, okay, ask your tutor and clarify it. It is very important to know meanings. See how you can learn English? Communication. Reading, how communication will improve? Talking in English, trying to talk in English, reading newspapers, reading books. That reading ability will be improved. Okay. Now, passage, the last passage is about Amazon rainforest. Now this is on geography. Okay, so you see first passage what you saw about science, then an history passage came, then what it came about a writer, famous writer. Now it has come about Amazon forest. Okay, geography we can say. Okay, children, many of you feel shy to talk in English because you will think if grammatically you're wrong in speaking it, others will laugh. Don't feel shy. Let them laugh. Fools will always laugh. On somebody's on somebody's wrong things, fools will always laugh. See how you learn Telugu by talking only you learn. First you did mistake, but slowly you improved. Like that only you can improve. Otherwise, very difficult to learn English speaking. Okay. Anything if you practice only you will get. Practice makes a man perfect. That's why that is the main thing. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical forest in the world. Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical forest in the world. What is the meaning of tropical here? Tropical means it will be arid, dry, and hot. In fact, the temperature even goes to above 50 degrees, 79. Like that also it goes in these areas. Covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. Why largest is mentioned? Na? So that's why it's telling you how much is the area also. 5.5 million square kilometers it is covering. That's why it is the largest tropical rainforest. Okay. It spans across 9 countries. It spans means spreads. It is covering, spreading across 9 countries with the majority located in Brazil. But major portion of that area is located in Brazil. And the Amazon is a home to diverse ecosystem. Amazon is a home to diverse means different types, varieties, ecosystem with millions of plants and animal species. Often called the lungs of the earth. Amazon forest is also called the lungs of the earth. See, lungs is the main organ in your body that helps you to breathe. Okay. So it tells that Amazon forest is considered to be the lung of the earth. It produces 20% of the world's oxygen, you see. It came to breathing because 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by Amazon forest. However, deforestation poses a significant threat to this vital resource. However, deforestation means cutting off trees. Now, man for his selfish nature, for his development, they're cutting more trees. Okay, they're cutting trees and they're making buildings there. So, because of that, vital means this important resource of trees, plants, the forest, because of deforestation is under threat. Okay, that was the passage. What is the Amazon forest often called? Now, when we read the heart of the planet, no. The green paradise, no. The lungs of the earth, yes. It is called the lungs of the earth because it produces 20% of oxygen of the for the world. How many countries does the Amazon forest span across? So, as we read in the passage, 9 countries. Which country contains the largest portion of Amazon rainforest? I already told you, maximum majority of the land area is in Brazil. So, option C is the right option. What percent of world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest? The last line already explained to you 20%. So 20% is there as C. What is a major threat to the Amazon rainforest? What is the major? I told you in the end, cutting of trees. So what do you call that? Deforestation is a major threat to the, there it was vital. Okay. Here it is major threat to the Amazon rainforest. So deforestation. Okay. So children, hope you enjoyed this video. You all understood it and hope you all are practicing very well. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And once again, I'm telling, give us your feedback, and if so that we can also improve ourselves and we can also know how many of you are listening and how you are listening. Okay, we'll continue with my next video. Thank you so much.
Hello, everybody. I think yesterday completed, you know. Ah, 4 away. Where is 4? ఇప్పుడు సార్ ఓన్లీ 4 ప్యాసేజెస్ చెప్పారు. You told ఇంట్లో వేరే వాళ్ళు ఉంది. ఎవరైనా చూసి మేడం పంపించండి. That's it. Yep. Hello everyone, welcome back to Kranti Keen channel. As usual, today we are discussing about the one more Navodaya model paper. This is the fifth paper. If you want, before we papers also, watch our channel, subscribe our channel. You go to live session also. In that also live section, not videos. Go to live option. In that we have the Navodaya model paper is already. This is the fifth paper. Today I am going to, you know already the pattern is the exam is the total 100 marks, the 80 questions. In that, mental ability is the 40 questions, and next in maths is the 20 questions, English is the 20 questions. Okay. Now the part is the mental ability. In that part one to 4 is the odd man out. We need to find the odd one in this question in the four options. Here, These, if you observe, these three are the water animals. These three, B is the answer, odd man. That inside is 2, outside is 2. Inside is 2, outside is 2. Inside is 3, 1. Inside is 2, outside is there. The different one is the C. And here the figure is the, but how to find this odd one in this question? Here see, if you rotate this is the, this side is there. If you rotate, this light will be this side. If you rotate, this light will be this side. If you rotate normally, this light will be this. Means it is the opposite of all the direction. That is the reason answer is A. Here they gave the sum of the figures, but these are not closed figures, they are not open figures. Then you have to go for the counting of the figures. Counting of the figures of the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here this figure has 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This figure is having 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This figure is having 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This figure is having the 5. Means the odd one is the fourth one. The odd one is the fourth one. And next session, part 2 is the similarities. Similarities is nothing but you need to find the similar figure. You need to find the same figure. See here, if you observe the figure here, two eyes, this here, these both are the equal, but the eyes are circle. This is the oval shape. Means answer is the D. The next here, sixth one, if you observe the figure, the same figure is the D. Answer is the D. The most easiest topic in the Navodaya, this is the similarity figures, finding the same figure. And see here, this is the same figure, it is C. It is C. And next, eighth one, the same figure, we need to find the eighth one in the figure. You have to observe the lines. These are the lines, is the standing lines and sleeping lines. If you observe, these and this should be same. But in that figure is a square. And here some of the lines are left. That is the reason answer is B. Part 3 is the incomplete the figure. Incomplete the figure is nothing. We need to complete the figure. See, same. This is you need to extend like that and same it will become, and next this will be happen. Where it is in the figure here we have, if you observe this figure in the, this is the C. C is the answer. And next 10th question here, 10th one, here also incomplete the figure, same, extend the figure. Suppose if you extend the figure, this is the, this will be same. If you observe here and here is also we will get. Means this type shape in the figure, if you observe, the answer is the C. And 11th one, here same, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Here is also same, all sides are equal. Same, this will be happen. It will be in the question A. And next 12th one, see here, incomplete the figures. This is also here, these opposites equal. This is also, these opposites are equal. Where if we have this is the D. D is the answer. Next, part 3, 4. Part 3 is the series. Already, series is either ascending order and descending order. Either ascending order or descending order. See here, suppose in the question, here if you observe the question here, this will be happen, this rotated down, this rotated up, now it will be rotated up. And next here, one removed, then after one more removed, then after one more again. You will get it now 1. Here, suppose this means this part is removed now. Okay. Then after what happened? If you rotate this part is removed. Now we need to remove the one part. It will be in the B. Now next, if you observe the 14th question here, 14th question, first you need to check this type of question. The figure crosses and 1. Take the dot. I am taking the dot. Dot comes to here. Next to here means next will be comes here. The next cross. Cross came up, next cross will be come. If you observe the answer, then in this is the answer because dot is here, cross is up, in the possible is in the only D. And next here, 15th one, see, 15th one here. What happened in the figure here? See, this rotated. It came here. Again, what happened? It came here. Now what happened? It came here means circle triangle and shaded. Now go for the arrows. Arrows hai mein this up is down. This up, this up. Now it will be this down and this will be up. Where it is square triangle shape and this down and up is the A. Down and up is the A. Next 16th one here. 16th one, see here. This came here. It's rotated here. It's rotated up. Now it will come to here. It will be comes to here. Actually, the question will be here. It will be shaded, unshaded, and shaded. Where is here? Here, this type the T in the C means answer is the C only. Answer is the C. Part C is the analogy. Analogy is nothing but whatever happening in the first two figures, it will be happen the next two figures. Here, it will be reversed. Same thing, it will be happen reverse. Means here like that and like that. Triangle also. Triangles also like the and next line. But here these both are equal only. But here it is very near to center. It is very far to center. Means here it is also this is center. It is very far. Means answer is the and B. And next 18th one here. This becomes in the shaded part. We got the small one. Here also in the triangle we will get the small shaded part. Answer is the B. And 19th one, see here. 19th is also analogy here. Here, this two parts becomes a 4. Here also two parts it becomes a 4. Here, shaded one place, opposite shaded. And like that, here also same. Shaded one side, it will becomes opposite. It is the B. Answer is the B. And part 7, if you observe, these are all the cutting figures. Cutting figures means you have to make the geometrical figure. Geometrical figure. What if you keep? It will become a um, it will become a square. See here, if you keep this, it will become a square. Where we have this, see, if you observe this figure, if you keep this, it becomes a square. And next here 22, here also 22, same geometrical figure what we have to attach here. See here, same like that we need, and one more here, same like that. Here where we have this type of figure, if you observe the answer is the B. And next 23 also, here see which part it will become a square. Which part it will become a square? Answer is C. And next to 24th one, if it will be fit, we have to fit this in the this figure. Observe this. If you keep this is the becomes a square. Means answer is B. And next part 7 is the mirror images or water images. Mirror images, water images. You know all of you. The mirror image is to left goes to right, right goes to left. And water image means top goes to left, bottom goes to top. See here this and next here this inner parts also we need to take the mirror image for this here like that, and for this it will be like that. Where we have this figure, it is in the C. It is in the C. And 26 here, mirror image. What happened? The circle and this T, oval and E. Answer is A. Is A. 27, 27. Here, see the answer. See, if you observe this will be the answer. Top goes to right, goes to left, but and left goes to right. You have same. If you observe this and this also same, but you have to check this place here. I think both are same here. A and C. And next 28, 28. See here. Um, what is the mirror image? Mirror image same. This and this answer is C. And next now 29th is the paper folding. This folded into four parts. And next the curve like that. Means you will get like that. The answer is the A. And next the third is also it makes four parts. And what happened? They converted like that means here you will get, here you will get, and here you will get, and here you will get. Which is the answer? That is the answer is the D. Answer is the D. And next 31 question here. 31 question, see here. If you fold here, you will get the circle. Here, you will get the circle. The answer is the D. At 32, see here, they folded like that, like that. Means this 0 will come, this 0 here will come, and here will come up here. Answer is the C. Answer is the C. And next part 11, part 9 is the shape of the added figure. For the shape of the added figures, you need to count the figures and how many are there? One, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures are there. 5 figures. This shape where we need to check. See here, this is here, and I think this is not here, this is here, this is here, this is here, and this is here. This answer is B. Answer is B. And next 34 is also shape of the added figures. Shape of the added figures. Here the answer will be the answer is B. And next here 35 is also see the figure. See the figure here. Mm, This part is here. This type of the part is here. This is here. This is here. This is answer is A. The next 36 also we need to find the figure of the shape of the added figures. How many are there? Here it is the 5 figures where we have to find. See here the parts. I think this one is there. This one is there. This one is there. This one is there. This is not there. And then go for this. Here this is there. This one is there. This one is there. This one is there. This one. Answer is D. Answer is D. And 37 hidden figures. Hidden figures. Hidden figures means here you have to hide the figure. Hide it, you have to find. This is the answer plus. Answer is A. And next 38 here, hidden figures. See here, um, see like that. But in the middle, this line is missed. And now you go for this. Here also, the line is missed. One line is missed. And next one more place where it is. Do you have anywhere? No. Sir, actually here line is missed. Sir is not there in the figures. The line was missed. And next here, see shape of the added figure. See here. And next, this is the B. And next 40 question. And next, this is the 40th question. Where we have Y shape, we need to find. And this, see here, this is the answer. B is the answer. These are the 40 mental ability questions. Next, we are uh, going for the maths, maths further video. Already morning we discussed maths. Already maths, already we discussed maths 20 questions, that important questions. Those are all same only. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will give you the one more discussion of the paper. Thank you.